Entrepreneurship is all about solving a problem, but most of the time, after getting into this entrepreneurial journey, we forget to solve some of the problem for ourselves. So, as everybody knows, this starting a business, getting into entrepreneurship venture, so it's not easy. It's very, very difficult. At start, it seems very exciting because you got some brilliant eureka idea when you were doing something, maybe discussing with your friends, or you were having your me time, and at that time you got this idea and your mind just blown away with it, like, wow, this is it, this is the idea which I'm gonna work on it. And then you start, but all of a sudden what happened? After some time you tend to face some problems in your journey, because the idea that you wanted to work on, so you have seen a very bright part or very bright future for that idea, when everything will work as per you intended and as per you wanted. If everything will happen like that, so you have pictured that particular scene, the end result in your mind, and that's how you got excited. I'm not saying that that is not possible. It is possible, and maybe even better future is possible. What I'm saying here is the journey to get to that particular end result, it's not easy. It's really very, very difficult, and we gonna face lot of challenges during this journey. So the basic mantra is all about solving a problem. What is entrepreneur? Solving a problem. So basically what I'll share from my personal example. So I love to get involved in technology. One of the application for business owner that I am right now working on, it is a subscription based application. So basically I was whole excited about the idea. I wanted to help business owner in this situation. A lot of business people are losing their businesses because of pandemic, and I want to help them by bringing them on a technological platform, so that they can also do their business using technology by delivering goods at doorstep. So at start it was very exciting. I love coding, but as I move along, there are some complex stuff that appeared, which, and as I am working alone, so there is nobody whom I can ask, whom I can ask for the guidance and all. So at the time it was very frustrating, very, very frustrating. And I used to think, like, why I am doing this? Anyways, I am going to provide this particular portal free of cost to the business owners. So why I am spending so much time? Why I am doing this? All of a sudden, I used to lost all that drive that used to be there at the start when I just started. And few days back, I just had a conversation with my mentor, and he just said, entrepreneurship is all about solving a problem. It's not like at the start you saw one problem, and to solve that you get into this entrepreneurial journey, and now you are just stick to it. That's it. You can't see any other problem. You don't want to solve any other problem. It's not like that, but it is solving problem on a day-to-day basis. Whatever challenges come, whatever obstacles come, you have to solve all those problems, and that is being an entrepreneur. You see, a lot of business people nowadays who are successful, already successful, they have well established business, it is spread across the world and doing immense amount of revenue, but still they also face these challenges, they also face these difficulties, and they solve it on a day-to-day basis. And that's how entrepreneurship is not just one time or someday journey, but it's a day-to-day journey of solving challenges on a daily basis. I hope you got some insight from this video. If you have any questions, queries, please do ask. I know after a long time I am doing this video, so I was busy in the development, so a lot of my time was going there. Now I am back, so whatever you queries you have, please do reach out to me, and stay safe. Bye bye.